Do you ever wish you could take a selfie or start recording a video without even touching your phone? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a smart feature called Show Palm that makes it possible. Here's how you set it up. Open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap the settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap shooting methods. Now turn on Show Palm. When this feature is on, you just need to raise your hand and show your palm to the camera. When the phone recognizes it, it will do a short countdown, then snap a selfie or start recording a selfie video if you are in video mode. This is super useful when you want to take group selfies without reaching for the phone, or when you are vlogging and need a quick hands-free start to your recording. And that's it. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra just became your personal camera assistant with one simple gesture. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.